Hi guys, how are you? In this live stream, we are gonna learn about spam detector classifier model, and let's start the stream. Uh, Let me set up some things for you. Give me 2 minutes. At first, I will open the my pre-built model. This is a model that I made 2 months ago. Today, I am gonna explain this model to you in very basic manner, guys. Don't worry. Uh, the only expectation I have that you are familiar with basic Python and nothing else. Don't worry, guys. I will explain in very basic manner. So let's start. I am opening. Let me open my Jupyter book. And guys, you can make this model in Google Colab also and VS Code also. But for my ease, I am making this model in my Jupyter lab. I will show you how to do that. Keep some patience, guys. We are gonna learn from basic, very basic. Okay, so Jupyter Lab has opened. So let me make a new file called spam detector detector live. Okay, for the sake of understanding that we are doing it in live stream. So here is our file. So guys, first thing we are gonna do that we are gonna import pandas library. If you are not familiar with pandas, don't worry, I will make easy for you. And okay, pandas, we imported pandas, and next thing we gonna import is spam. So guys, we are building a spam detector classifier model that will predict that one particular message is uh, spam or a normal message. So we we need a spam data set, and this is telling us file load error. Okay, so let me see that what is wrong. Okay, comma separated file. So I don't know what is wrong. So guys, this is our spam.csv. CSV is basically a file that that used to store the data set. Here is uh, some messages, and they are labeled into ham or spam. Ham is normal message, guys, and spam is the message which are labeled as spam. So you can clearly see this is normal two guys conversation, I think, and this is the spam. You can clearly see free entry into weekly so we are gonna learn that how to use that. So at first we are gonna import the spam csv file. Let me import that. So you are going so we will use df pd dot read slash csv. This is a command. This is a function in which is built in pandas to import csv file. We will store the csv file in object called data frame. Is a standard practice in python data frame. Okay guys, so here is, so it is okay. I didn't name it spam.csv. Okay, so here is, oh, just throwing it. Okay guys, so the error is that the the spam.csv file is basically in different encoding that our computer can't read, so we have to give it proper encoding. So we'll give it uh, windows windows 1252, and that will work like a charm. Okay guys, so for the sake of understanding what is inside in spam.csv, we are gonna print the first five line of this csv. For that, we are gonna write this command df.head. It will print the first five lines of the our csv file like this. So and this is called exploratory data analysis. So which tells us about the spam, which tells us about the csv file. Okay, so so uh, this csv file has five columns. First v1, v2. Uh, the third, fourth, and fifth columns are basically uh, wastage. We can call not a number type columns. So we have to firstly remove that. So our ML model should not confuse about that. So for removal of this, we will gonna learn about a new uh, command. So, so for removing this, we are gonna learn about df.drop. This command simply drop the columns you want to drop. Already guys, unnamed 2. Okay, so here we will first drop the columns df.drop. Uh, we will drop three columns firstly, and guys, the name should be similar here, because if the name will be different, you will be thrown by Iron will be thrown, and that's how we remove the column. And guys, one thing you should always remember when removing columns, that you should uh, you should give a proper access. Access equal to 1 indicates that we are removing the column. Okay guys, so here is the thing. Now we will print again the first five column to see that the things has worked or not. So boom guys, the three unwanted columns are gone. So the next thing we are gonna do, that we will remove this column, we will rename this column, because it is confusing. uh we will give this name, we will give this column name as label, and this is message. Basically we will throw this messages to our model, and it will predict that the messages uh, ham or spam. So we will use df dot rename. Okay guys, rename, and let me show to you how to columns. Okay, so that's how we rename columns. Okay guys, okay, df columns equal to curly braces, and inside curly braces you have to provide the column name which is existing, and the column name you want to change into. So v1 will be changed into label, and v2 will be changed into messages. message. All right, guys. So let's run this command. And sorry, if you will not include in a df file, it will not change the original file, guys. Always remember that. Sorry, guys. And now we will again print the first 5 rows of our CSV column. All right, guys. Our code runs like a charm. And the next thing we are gonna do that we will rename these labels into 0 and 1 because machine learning model doesn't understand text. So let me show you how we do that. So how we do that we will create a object, map object basically. So we are gonna name that label slash map. Label slash map will do that it will store a map object. So firstly, so uh, we will convert ham into 0 for the sake of understanding of the machine learning model, and spam into 1. Okay, guys. And next thing we are gonna do that uh, we will change into label column. So we are gonna do we are gonna write that map this label slash map into the label column, means it will replace ham with 0 and spam with 1. Map label slash map. Okay, guys. Oh, expected after dictionary keys. Okay, guys, here is a, so we will again print the first 5 rows of our column. Okay, guys, so boom, in our label column, the ham and spam are converted into 0 and 1 for the sake of understanding. So we are already done a lot of work here. So the next thing we are gonna do is I am gonna show to you some things. So guys, firstly we removed the unwanted column, then we renamed column into features and label, and recently we mapped the ham and spam using 0 and 1. So now we have to prepare our prepare a feature for ML model. So guys, we will basically do that. uh, we will prepare these features uh, into a type of text that our ML model can understand. So firstly we are gonna remove the punctuations between the text. This is a standard practice, guys. So for the sake of removal, we will we will make a def clean object, guys. So let me show you how to do that. uh, so we will make a clean text def. I will explain you guys. Let me create a clean text function, uh, clean slash clean underscore text, which will take text, and it will it will first lower the text, and next thing it will gonna do that I will explain to you guys. Text do at first let me write this code. Translate translate. uh, so guys, we have to import a library for this. Import string, string library we are gonna import. So it is a, this is how we're gonna do that. Text dot translate str dot make trans, make trans, and we will provide a few things in that. So comma, comma, and the last thing we are gonna provide that string dot punctuation, which will eventually remove all the punctuation in the text. Punctuation. Okay guys, punctuation. Okay, string dot punctuation. Okay, uh, then we are gonna return the text file. So basically we here made a clean text function. Okay, so next thing we are gonna do that, we will apply this text function to our targeted label, which is message label, so that our machine learning model can understand the text. So first thing we are gonna do that, we will create a new column named clean messages, clean slash message. Okay guys, now we will use apply function. So we are gonna apply uh, this clean text function in message column. Apply, and we will apply the clean text function. It should work like a charm. Okay guys, now I am gonna show to you a magic df dot add. So you can clearly see that a clean slash message function is generated, and the all punctuations are removed. You can see that. So the next thing we are gonna do that, we will let me reference to you. So the next thing we are gonna do that, we will tokenize message, and the tokenized text is what tokenized text do that, it will convert the text into a list of words, so that the machine learning model can understand. So I am, let me show in chat gpt what text dot tokenize do. So let me open that. uh, we will ask what text, sorry, word underscore took, sorry guys, you should use google for that. Work slash tokenize nltk. So so this is not working. We will, sorry guys for your, for wasting your time, but it is important. What word, I want to you to, I want that you should learn this thing from AI. not me, because I am not very good in explaining things. What word slash tokenize gonna do? So here is words common associated with natural language processing. It it takes a string of text, guys, sentence word, and list of word tokens. Okay, so that can machine learning model can understand. So we will firstly import the NLTK, which is natural language toolkit library, and then from natural NLTK dot tokenize import word slash tokenize. Okay, guys, so let me show you how they will do that. So firstly we will import uh, NLTK, which is stands for natural language toolkit, and then we will import uh, NLTK dot tokenize, sorry, from, we should write it from NLTK dot tokenize import uh, word slash tokenize. Okay, guys, so we imported word slash tokenize. So what we gonna do that we will so what we gonna do that we will make a function like we previously did, clean text function. So before that we have to download a very special thing called underscore tab. So it is necessary, guys, and you can learn about from AI that what will it do. But for the ease of the live streaming, I will expect that you will gonna research about that. So we will NLTK dot download. It will take a string called underscore underscore punkt underscore tab. Okay, guys. So let me do that. Shift enter. NLTK is not defined. NLTK natural language toolkit. Why it is not defined? Because we didn't run this cell. Now it should work. So it worked. Oh, okay. So it is telling that package. This package is already up to date. We don't need to update this. So we are gonna make a function that will take text and uh, it will return the tokenized text. All right, tokenize slash text word slash tokenize. Okay. So what we are gonna do, then we will create a new column called tokenize slash message, and then we will apply this tokenize slash text function into our previously cleaned message, and we will see what it will gonna do. So firstly let me create a function called text slash tokenize it will take text, and the next thing it will gonna do that it will return a tokenized text. So for that we will use word slash tokenize, and we will give that text. Okay, guys, so next thing we are gonna do that we gonna apply this text slash tokenize function into our clean message column. Okay, so here we are writing clean slash message, and we are gonna apply uh, sorry, we are creating a new column called tokenize slash underscore message, and we are gonna apply this text slash text underscore tokenize function into our previously cleaned column, which is cleaned slash message. Okay guys, so let me apply this function to that. uh, Apply text underscore tokenize. Okay guys, so here is how it works. So by far we learned that how to uh, let me give you all a summary. So by far we removed unwanted column, we renamed column into feature and label, we mapped the ham and spam using 0 and 1, and we are uh, we tokenize message. We will tokenize message. Will tokenize message. Okay, so let's end the video stream here guys. In next video stream we are gonna learn that some few things, and then we will actually train the model and predict the model. So thanks for your time guys.